Hey there, sailing enthusiasts! Welcome back to Knowledge Hub. Today, we're setting sail into the vast world of sailboats. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just dipping your toes into the world of sailing, understanding the different types and terminology can enhance your nautical experience. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's explore the diverse world of sailboat types. Sailboats are meticulously crafted for specific purposes, and on the open water, you'll encounter a variety of designs that cater to different sailing needs. Among the common sailboat types are the sloop, a sleek, single-masted sailboat featuring a mainsail and a headsail, which can be a jib or genoa. Then there's the ketch, distinctive with its two masts, where the main mast stands taller than the mizzen mast. Moving on to the catamaran, characterized by its two parallel hulls, this design offers enhanced stability and is often associated with achieving greater speed. Lastly, we have the trimaran, a unique vessel boasting three hulls, with a central hull and two smaller outrigger hulls. Each of these sailboat types brings its own set of advantages, making them suitable for various sailing experiences and conditions. Now let's decipher the language of the sea. Every sailor should be familiar with some essential sailing terminology, vital for effective communication and maneuvering on the water. Understanding wind dynamics is fundamental, and that's where terms like windward come into play. It refers to the direction from which the wind is blowing. On the flip side, there's leeward, which indicates the opposite direction, away from the wind. These terms are crucial for navigation and steering, helping sailors make strategic decisions based on wind direction and optimize their sailing experience. Additionally, mastering the techniques of maneuvering is key to sailing proficiency. Tacking involves skillfully turning the boat's bow through the wind to change direction, a maneuver essential for zigzagging against the wind. On the other hand, jibing is the art of turning the boat's stern through the wind to change direction on the opposite tack. These maneuvers are not just nautical jargon, they are the practical skills that sailors rely on to navigate the open waters effectively. Sailboats can navigate in different directions relative to the wind, and understanding the main points of sail is fundamental for any sailor. Close-hauled, for instance, involves sailing as close to the wind as possible. This point of sail demands precise adjustments to the sails and the boat's angle to harness the maximum power from the wind while maintaining a close course against it. Beam reach represents sailing at a right angle to the wind, allowing the sails to capture the wind's force effectively. This position optimizes both speed and stability, offering a balanced compromise between the wind direction and the boat's course. Moving along the spectrum of points of sail, we encounter broad reach, where the sailboat is sailing away from the wind, but not directly downwind. This point of sail provides a compromise between maximizing speed and maintaining control, as the sails catch the wind at a wider angle. Finally, there's running, where the sailboat is directly downwind, allowing the wind to fill the sails from behind. This position offers a smooth and efficient downwind sailing experience, requiring careful steering to prevent accidental jibing. The mastery of these points of sail empowers sailors to navigate effectively in various wind conditions, showcasing the dynamic and strategic nature of sailing. Now let's dive beneath the surface and explore the essential components that contribute to the stability and performance of sailboats: the keel and centerboard. The keel, a vital part of a sailboat's anatomy, is a fixed underwater fin designed to provide stability and prevent sideways sliding. This fixed structure extends from the bottom of the boat into the water, acting as a counterbalance to the forces exerted by the wind on the sails. The keel's strategic placement and shape contribute to the boat's ability to maintain an upright position, ensuring a smoother and more controlled sailing experience. Its role in preventing lateral movement enhances the overall stability of the sailboat, allowing it to navigate various wind conditions with greater ease. On the other hand, the centerboard is a retractable fin that offers an additional layer of stability and is adjustable based on water depth. This dynamic component can be raised or lowered, allowing sailors to adapt to different sailing conditions. When raised, the centerboard reduces drag, making it ideal for navigating shallow waters. Conversely, when lowered, it increases the boat's lateral resistance, enhancing stability in deeper waters. The combination of a well-designed keel and a versatile centerboard empowers sailors to optimize their sailboat's performance based on the specific characteristics of the water they navigate. showcasing the intricate engineering that lies beneath the waterline. And now, let's dive into the thrilling aspects of sailing, where enthusiasts can experience the excitement of racing and the leisurely enjoyment of recreational sailing. Regattas stand out as exhilarating events in the sailing world. These are sailboat races where boats compete against each other, creating a dynamic and competitive atmosphere. Regattas come in various scales, from local races that foster a sense of community and friendly rivalry to international competitions that attract skilled sailors from around the globe. Sailors participating in regattas must showcase not only their sailing prowess, but also their strategic decision-making as they navigate the race course and contend with the ever-changing wind conditions. The spirit of camaraderie and the adrenaline of competition make regattas a captivating aspect of sailing culture, bringing together sailors to test their skills and share their passion for the open water. On the other side of the spectrum, we have cruising, a form of recreational sailing that emphasizes leisure and exploration. Cruising sailboats are specifically designed for comfort, often equipped with amenities like cabins, kitchens, and bathrooms. These vessels provide a platform for sailors to embark on journeys of relaxation and discovery, exploring coastlines, islands, and distant ports at a more relaxed pace. Cruising allows individuals and families to enjoy the serenity of the open water while experiencing the freedom of charting their own course. It's a mode of sailing that combines the joy of being on the water with the pleasures of comfortable living, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a more laid-back and scenic sailing experience. Sailboats, with their rich history and versatile designs, continue to capture the hearts of sailors worldwide. Whether you're racing against the wind in a regatta or peacefully cruising for leisure, the open water awaits. If you enjoyed today's exploration, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more maritime content, and let us know in the comments your favorite type of sailboat or your most memorable sailing experience. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.